Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to keep your purchase safe and secure while shopping on DHGate. Let's get started. First, always download the official DHGate app from the App Store or Google Play, or go directly to their website. Avoid third-party links to prevent phishing scams. Before making a purchase, check seller ratings and reviews. Look for sellers with high feedback score and read recent comments to ensure they are trustworthy. Avoid new sellers with limited history for big-ticket items. When you're ready to buy, use secure payments method like DHGate's built-in escrow system. This holds your payment until confirmed receipts and satisfaction within the item. Never pay sellers directly through external platform. Enable two-factor authentication CFA in your account settings for added login security. This helps protect your personal and financial data from unauthorized access. After placing an order, track your package using the provided tracking number and communicate with the seller through DHGate's messaging system to keep a record of all interactions. If issue arise, dispute claims early via DHGate's Resolution Center. They offer buyer protection for items that never arrive or don't match the description. And that's it. You're now shopping smarter and safer on DHGate. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what you are buying on DHGate. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.